Welcome everyone in today's video. As you know that I am on a 10 days trip journey, I have left Kotagiri and heading towards my new destination Ooty. From Kotagiri, Ooty is at a 28 to 29 kilometers distance, can reach in 1 hour approximately. So the plan is to stay in Ooty for 3 days, do some sightseeing, see a few points and chill. The first property I'm going to stay at is a homestay called as the Tamarillo. Guess what, guys? We took a wrong turn and missed the correct path. What a perfect start to the day. It can be a bit confusing and inconvenient to find for the first timers as there is no signboard as such stating the property name. The location is uphill nearer to the main city area. Parking space is available. That feeling of living in a bungalow is very different and fascinating. That's the bonus point of opting for a homestay rather than choosing a hotel room. It's around 5:36 p.m. in the evening. The entry to the individual cottages is through this garden. Get ready to surround yourself with greenery, all green views, plants, and garden views. The garden is pretty well maintained. Due to rains, it has become wet and muddy. The very first cottage that you see is mine, so let's go. This place is peaceful and quiet. The check-in process was smooth as the booking was already done through Make My Trip. I just showed them my ID and made an entry in their register at the time of arrival. So if you're looking for a budget stay, then this is a great option. One more thing, as this is a homestay, they don't have any in-house restaurant. Make sure you place your lunch or dinner orders in advance. Tell them at least 3 to 4 hours prior, then they will prepare it for you. Let's start with a quick room tour. The ground floor rooms have a nice sit out area, a small passage or a corridor, you can say. A transparent window that gives a sneak peek of the room. Absolutely love the color coordinated green door that matches the theme green of this bungalow. My room number is 103. The interiors are basic, simple, minimalistic, and chic. It has a full length mirror and a cozy bed. The room size is compact, small for 3 adults. For the additional person, they have arranged a bed here. Just above the bed is a TV unit and a cute small cupboard. Besides the cupboard, I have kept all of my luggage. This corner just glows up due to this well-lit lamp. The bed sheets are neat, clean and tidy. Blankets are provided. Room heaters are not available, and I guess if they are available at an extra charge. Lastly, let me show you the washroom. The washroom is spacious. There's geyser for hot water. Hey, that's me. A small opening vent, commode and wash basin. The washroom maintenance and cleanliness was not that up to the mark. Can be improvised, could get better. In rainy season, the walls soak in all the water due to which it gets too cold. So I would recommend you to stay here, especially in the summers. The highlight of this room is this window that gives you a glimpse of the sit-out view, garden view. There is no intercom facility, just save the caretaker's number in your mobile and he will coordinate with you for your needs. Dinner is served. Starter is gobi 65. These fried cauliflowers taste superb. Every bite was crunchy and crispy. The mixed veg curry was okayish in taste. The yellow dal was simply homemade. And the chapatis were soft and nice. Overall, the dinner was amazing. Hey peeps, good morning. My breakfast is laid on the table and I just can't wait to dig in. Do you want to join me for breakfast? If yes, leave a comment down below. When in South, all you get is a South Indian breakfast. The idlis were soft and fluffy. Along with it, this sambar was also flavorsome. Medu vada, this donut-shaped snack, was truly delicious along with the chutney. The dosa was awesome, super thin and crispy. Mornings like these feel so dreamy, as if I am daydreaming. It's sunny and bright today. I know what exactly you guys are wondering, whether I'm having my breakfast again. Well, yes, that's right. Here's my round two. There's no breakfast timing as such, but it's better to have it early. I had it around 9:30 10 a.m. And yes, they serve you complimentary breakfast. Spend your time playing with these pets. The property owner owns a few cats and dogs. Surely you will have a lovely time if you're a pet lover. Now it's time to leave. The bookings were full, so had a wonderful one-day staycation at Tamarillo. I enjoyed staying here. Ola is not available to this location, but the owner is very kind and helpful to arrange a cab for you. Heading towards my second stay in Ooty. That's it for the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, keep exploring.